Hi, welcome back to our podcast, the show where we explore the cosmos, decode your chart, and empower your path. And today we're diving deep into a fascinating and often misunderstood part of your natal chart, the South Node in Virgo. South Node in astrology tells us where we've been, past lives, ingrained patterns, comfort zones, and unconsciously habits. In Virgo brings its own unique flavor. If your South Node is in Virgo, you're probably no stranger to duty, service, perfectionism, and the pursuit of order. But what happens when those very qualities become your prison instead of your power? That's what we're unpacking today. Let's begin. What is the South Node? The South Node is also known as K2 in Vedic astrology, represent the karmic energy we bring into this lifetime. It's our past, not just literally, as in previous lives if you follow reincarnation, but psychologically and spiritually, it's our default mode. It's the stuff we're really, really good at. So good, in fact, that we overdo it. Think of it as your spiritual muscle memory. You've done it before, you mastered it, but now your soul says, great, now evolve. And the evolution comes through the North Node. Your soul's destination, but we will get to that soon. When the South Node is in Virgo, your karmic past is deeply rooted in the Virgo archetype. So let's talk about what that means. Virgo energy, the archetype. Okay. Virgo is ruled by Mercury and is associated with Earth energy. It's about refinement, service, analysis, practicality, and precision. Virgo loves lists, plans, and a clean kitchen. It finds fulfillment in making things better, fixing, editing, healing. So when your South Node is in Virgo, you likely come into this life with a strong skill set, an eye for detail, a mind that analyzes, critiques, and categorizes, a desire to be of service to others, a strong work ethic, and perhaps a tendency toward anxiety, control, or perfectionism. You may have been the helper, the healer, the nurse, the scribe, the monk, copying text by candlelight, someone whose worth was defined by how well you perform, how much you got done, and how clean your output was. You've been the one behind the scenes making everything work, invincible but indispensable. But in this life, that's not where you're meant to stay. So the shadow of the Virgo South Node. The shadow side of the Virgo energy is powerful. With a Virgo South Node, you might fall into over-analysis leading to paralysis, harsh self-criticism, workaholism, and burnout, fear of making mistakes, an inability to relax or trust, obsessing over the small stuff while losing sight of the big picture. You may feel uncomfortable with uncertainty, chaos, or anything you can quantify or fix. You may even judge yourself or others for being too emotional, too messy, too idealistic. That's your Virgo South Node talking. And if you're stuck there, life may feel like an endless to-do list that never satisfies your soul. So what's the way out? Oh, enter the Pisces North Node. So, the North Node in Pisces, the antidote, the calling, the invitation. While Virgo wants order, Pisces invites surrender. While Virgo seeks facts, Pisces listens to dreams. While Virgo fixes, Pisces flows. While this nodal axis, your soul is learning to trust, to let go, and to reconnect with the mystical, creative, and emotional currents of life. You're here to move from doing to being, from perfection to compassion, from control to faith. This doesn't mean abandoning your Virgo gifts. No, it means integrating them in a way that supports your spiritual growth. It means learning to soften your grief on life, to listen to intuition over intellect, and to see beauty in imperfection. So, real life patterns for Virgo South Node. Let's talk about how this shows up in real life. You might be the person everyone relies on at work, the one who stays late, double check every detail, and never complains. Until one day you do, and it all spills out. You might experience chronic health issue. Virgo rules health as your body rebuilds against years of stress and overwork. You might struggle with feeling spiritually disconnected even if your outer life looks successful. That's because your soul is craving surrender, rest, and spiritual connection. People with this placement often resist anything woo-woo until they have a major awakening or burnout. Then the North Node whispers, there's more to life than spreadsheets. So, healing path tips for Virgo South Node souls. So, what what helps you evolve? Here are some tips for navigating this nodal journey. Practice surrender. Start small. Leave the dishes in the sink overnight. Skip a workout. Trust that things won't fall apart. Create space for mystery. Journal dreams. Explore art. Meditate. Pisces thrives in the unseen and the symbolic. Loosen perfectionism. Done is better than perfect. Messy is often magical and your worth is not in your output. Forgive yourself for not being perfect, for needing rest, for being human. Lean into spiritual practices, whether it's prayer, energy healing, or simply watching the ocean. Connect to something bigger than yourself. Use your Virgo gifts in service of your Pisces path. Organize a healing retreat, manage your own spiritual practice, bring structure to the mystical. When you bring Virgo precision to Pisces vision, you become a vessel of profound healing, not just for yourself, but for others. So, before we close, here are some reflection questions for your journal or meditation. Where in my life am I trying to control outcomes instead of trusting the flow? How does perfectionism limit my joy? What makes me feel connected to something bigger than myself? Where am I being called to surrender? How can I blend my need for order with my need for inspiration? I will add some more career team here real quick. So the Virgo South Node career teams, your comfort zone. These are the types of roles you likely excel at even if they don't fulfill your long terms. Healthcare and wellness, nurse, doctor, dietitian, physical therapist, and pharmacist. Administrative or clerical work, executive assistant, office manager, data entry. Technical and analytical fields, editor, proofreader, an analyst, accountant, lab technician. Education, research, librarian, teacher, especially for younger children or specialized subject, researcher. Or service-oriented roles, social worker, caretaker, cleaner, personal assistant, crafts and trades, seamstress, herbalist, bookbinder, anything meticulous and hands-on. You likely have a strong work ethic and deep devotion to being of use, but here's the key. These roles can drain you if they don't allow room for intuition, creativity, or emotional spiritual flow, which is where your Pisces North Node is calling you. So, evolving career path, embracing your Pisces North Node. I mean, you can do your Virgo South Node, but it's maybe before your Saturn return, it's you keep doing those jobs, nurses, accountants, and all that. But after your Saturn return, your energy or your body or anything, your essence will started to flow with the Pisces North Node, and you must create an art or maybe combine the Virgo South Node to your North Node um, energy. But we will advise more and recommend more to go to the Pisces North Node uh, energy. So the goal isn't to abandon all Virgo traits, but to infuse your work with compassion, intuition, artistry, and spiritual depth. Here are the career paths that blend your Virgo gifts with Pisces soul growth. Healing arts, Reiki practitioner, yoga teacher, energy healer, spiritual counselor. Creative fields, musician, poets, visual artist, dancer, filmmaker. Spiritual work, astrologer, tarot reader, mystic meditation guide. Nonprofit and humanitarian work, working with refugees, crisis response, spiritual aid. Therapeutic profession: art therapist, grief counselor, hypnotherapist, dream analyst. Water related careers: marine conservationist, environmental advocate, surfer. Yes, seriously, a surfer. Yeah, and mystic organizer, retreat or coordinator, holistic practice managers, spiritual coaches with structure. Tip, Tips for career growth with this nodal axis. Let your Virgo skills support your spiritual or creative calling, not suppress it. Prioritize balance. Don't work yourself to exhaustion trying to fix everything. Be okay with imperfect progress in intuitive leaps. And trust what your value isn't only in what you do, but in who you are becoming. So, yes, your Virgo South Node is beautiful gift, but it's not the whole story. You're not here to perfect the system. You're here to feel the ocean. To remember that you're more than what you produce. That spirit matters. That peace is possible. And that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is let go. Okay, thanks for joining me today. If this episode resonated with you, I love for you to share it with a fellow soul seeker or leave a review to help us reach more listeners. Please subscribe, and until next time, trust the journey, embrace the mystery, and remember you are already whole.